Hi, I'm Jay Carpenter, and this is my 4.3 monetary policy and the Fed redo video. First, we're going to talk about the functions of the Federal Reserve. So monetary policy, which is the Fed influences money and credit conditions to achieve stable prices and maximum employment in the market. That also feeds into regulation, and then system stability. They monitor and contain risks in the financial system. And then the services provided to other banks, they provide for currency distribution and then can be in charge of reserve accounts. So now we're going to talk about how the Fed Reserve can control money supply. So for expansionary policy, the Fed distributes money to the banks. So the amount of reserves in the banks will increase, and then the overall money supply in society will increase. And then with contractionary policy, it's kind of reversed. The banks sell bonds, which go the bonds go to the Fed, and then reserves go down, and then the money supply in society just overall will go down. So now we're going to talk about some graphs here down low and how aggregate demand will be influenced by a recessionary output gap and an inflationary output gap. So here we have AD moving up and then AD going down. This is present because of lowering and hiring interest rates. So aggregate demand will shift to the right, which overall just increases demand. And then GDP real will eventually stay like in the middle ground and support full employment.